Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT ma'am. Children, in our last class, we have discussed about different text properties that we can apply to different elements in our HTML document. And also, we have started the font properties and also discussed about the font family to set the font for our text. And the next property in that category is font size. It is used to set the size of the text. And the syntax will be like this: font size colon value. So these are the values that can be given as size of the text, like XX large, H large, large, larger, etc. Okay. And next one is the font style. It is used to display the chosen font either in normal, italic or oblique. So we have already chosen font using the font family property, and in order to give or display the chosen font in these styles like normal, italic or oblique, we use this property, that is font style. Okay, this is the syntax: font style colon value, and value can be normal, italic or oblique. Okay, the next one is font, and it is used as a shorthand method to set all the above properties in one single declaration. Okay, which means you don't have to give these properties in separate line. We can give all these properties in one single declaration, and this is the syntax: font colon value, where value equal to font style, font size, font family. So here you can see an example. See, all the font properties are given in one declaration. Okay, so the font property, it is used to set all the above properties in one single declaration. And the next property is margin property. So what do you mean by margin? Yes, it is the distance from each side to the sides of the neighboring element of the document. Okay, so as you all know, each element has four sides like right, left, top and bottom. So this property is used to set the margin on HTML document. So some of the properties are margin top, margin right, margin bottom and margin left. As its name says, margin top is used to set the top margin of an element. Margin right, it is used to set the right margin of an element. Margin bottom, it is used to set the bottom margin of an element. And margin left, it is used to set the left margin of an element. The syntax will be like this: margin side colon value, where side can be given as top or right or bottom or left, and value can be length or percentage or auto. Okay, so this is how we give the syntax. And children, here also, if you want to set all the margins in one declaration, we can use the syntax like this. That is margin colon. First we will specify the value of top margin, then give the value of right margin, then the bottom margin and left margin, just like this. Here you can see an example. Okay. So this is how we set the margin properties in one single declaration. Okay. And the next is border properties. It is used to set the border style, border width and border color of an HTML element. Border width property, it helps in specifying the width of all the four borders of an element. Okay, so the syntax is this: border width colon value, and that value can be thin, thick, medium or numeric value in pixels. Okay, so this is how we represent the border width, as thin, thick, medium or numeric value in pixels. Okay. And next one is the border style. It is used to set the style of the border, and its default value is none. So the syntax is this border style colon value, and that value can be none, hidden, dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, rich, inset and outset. And the next is border color. It is used to change the color of the border surrounding an element. Okay. So the syntax is this border color colon value, and that value can be color name or color value. That color value means it can be given in hexadecimal or RGB codes. Okay, and the last one is border. That is, in order to set all the border properties in one declaration, this border property is used, and the syntax will be given as border colon border width, border style, border color. Okay, so in this you can specify the border width, then border style and border color. Okay, so that's how we set the border properties for different elements in our HTML document. Yes children, by this topic we have completed our 8th chapter. It is more on CSS 3. Okay. So read your textbook and try to do the same examples given in your textbook. Okay. I am attaching all the notes along with this class. Write it down and learn it well. Attend the review test and send your answers. So we will see in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye.